Hello, my name is Orlando Gonzalez, and I work at the Office of International and Tribal Affairs in the United States Environmental Protection Agency, also known as EPA. I manage the program for Central America and the Caribbean. The workshop that we have put together for you consists of 8 modules, and it is sponsored by the Department of State and presented by EPA in collaboration with its associate Battelle Memorial Institute. The module is also presented under the framework of the Free Trade Agreement between the United States, Central America, and Dominican Republic, and the Free Trade Agreement between the United States and Panama. The workshop is based on 2 manuals on building and managing sanitary landfills. These manuals actually are online and you can have access to them if you choose to do so. We have been working very closely with the Ministries of Environment to ensure that the content of the module is appropriate and timely to address some of the challenges that local governments and communities face when dealing with solid waste management. I urge you to please do the modules in order, complete the study plan, and when you finish the entire workshop, it is required that you submit the study plan to the coordinator so you can receive your certificate. I want to thank you for your time, your participation, and your interest in mitigating the solid waste management problem in your country. Thank you.